In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit night photos in Darktable. Let's dive right in and transform those tricky low-light snapshots into stunning images with just a few steps. First, you want to start by opening your night photo in the darkroom view. This is the workspace where all the magic happens. It's where you can see the image in full view and easily access the tools you'll need for editing. Begin by taking a moment to assess the overall exposure. A common challenge with night photography is getting the brightness just right without washing out any highlights. So, our next step is to use the exposure module. Here, you can adjust the brightness carefully to illuminate your scene while ensuring the highlighted areas, like streetlights or moon reflections, maintain their detail rather than turning into flat white blobs. Once you're satisfied with the exposure, move on to the white balance module. Correcting the color temperature is crucial for night shots. Depending on the scene, you might want to introduce a warmer tone for a cozy nighttime feel or a cooler tone to emphasize a moonlit scene. This adjustment helps in achieving a more natural look that is true to the mood you are aiming for. Next, head over to the Color Balance RGB module. This is where you can start to shape the ambience by enhancing shadows and highlights. Adjust these settings to bring out more depth and mood in your photo. A slight tweak can help create a dramatic contrast, making the picture pop by accentuating the natural interplay of light and shadow found in nighttime environments. Night photos often come with noise, which can make them look grainy or unclear. To refine your image, use the denoise module. You have a couple of options here depending on your needs. The denoise, profiled module, helps reduce noise based on your camera's profile, while the denoise, non-local means module, is more generalized. Either way, the aim is to smooth out any unwanted noise without losing vital detail. With the image cleaned up, it's time to bring back some crispness using the sharpen module. This step sharpens details selectively, giving your photo a polished finish. The key is to enhance the textures and edges without reintroducing noise, keeping the photo sharp yet smooth. Lastly, if you feel your image could benefit from an extra pop, try experimenting with the RGB curves or local contrast module. These controls allow you to fine-tune contrast and color, giving the scene an additional layer of depth and vibrance. However, these changes are entirely optional and depend on your personal preference and the specific story you want your photo to tell. And that's how you edit night photos using Darktable. With these steps, you're well on your way to transforming those challenging night captures into captivating masterpieces. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.